everybody, welcome back. Just a quick one today. I finished this off for a friend of mine, and he's asked about how the best to trim and get the body shell ready. Like everybody, he's been struggling with curved scissors and straight scissors and doing everything else, and really that's overcomplicating things. All you really need is a scalpel, if you can be trusted with one, and a slightly steady hand. So with these being an X-ray, it's all very accurate. Just in the molding trim lines, if we go ahead and drag the blade down, we'll stop there. It's then a simple case of flexing the body shell where you've scored, and you get yourself a lovely clean edge, just like that. Okay, with that all scored, this should be a case of just like that. That's ready to get mounted on the shell. If you're getting a body shell painted by me, by all means, as long as it has good molded cut lines in it, ask me to do it. It's not a problem. And yeah, we'll go from there. Obviously, touring cars I don't like doing, and a lot of the RC10 body shells don't have lower cut lines in them, so I can't do that without the car. But yeah, anything else like this where the cut lines are good and handy, there's no problem. Dead easy. Look, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the flip side. Good luck.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos.